Everyone, my name is Sudeep Mansali. I am here with the interesting JavaScript syntax feature that is the array destructuring syntax. We will learn everything about the array and object destructuring here. Let us start with the array destructuring. For that you declare a new array here where that is the full name that holds my first name and this is the second name. If you log this console.log full name, now you get this as an array, but you want to split it into two separate variables with which you can continue working. Like this is the first name, that is my Sudeep, and the last name is Mansali. You could do this by manually writing it as var first name with full name with index 0, copy that, and the last name full name with index 1. Both index, this will give the values that are present with the index 0 and 1. This if you logged the first name and last name, so it is Sudeep and Mansali, and that is the clear about the first and last name. Now in the rest of your code you might not want to work with arrays but with the individual values. The above syntax that we used here with the first name and the full name of with the index 0 and 1, this works correctly, and it is there is nothing wrong with this. And now there is a shortcut for that though, and it exactly what the array destructuring is all about. You can write this in a bit differently. You just comment here and create a one more constant const and add square brackets in front of the const, that is the left side of the equal sign. On the right side you point the array, that is full name, and now what you put between the square brackets are variable names for these elements in the array on the right side. So this array has two elements. We have to add we can add only two names, like say the first name and the last name. That will be of your own choice. You can add anything you want. To get that meaningful, I have added the first name and the last name, and again you got Sudeep Mansali. And what the JavaScript will do here is it will pull out all the elements that are present in the full name and store it into the variable names, that is the first name and last name. This is the very powerful syntax for splitting an array into variables with which you can want to work with. Now sometimes you can also have more data in the array than you want to pull out. Let's say we also have the place element in the name data, that is his place, where he comes from, where he lives, like Bangalore, and one more is phone number, like 97, like, and you just want to pull out these values, and just to get this other information with this place and phone number, you just add one more element, that is person info. Add the spread operator in front of this person info. If you don't know about the spread operator, I have uploaded the video on the spread operator. The link is in the below description. Do watch it. Now here I am calling a spread operator because what it will do here is it will collect all the remaining elements of that array, that is Bangalore and his phone number, which is not assigned in any variables, first name and last name. Store them in a brand new variable, which will be the new array that is in the end created. This indeed an array with the two pieces of information, place and phone number. This destructuring array will start from left to right. The first name will hold the first element you passed, and the last element will point to the second element, and this spread operator will holds all the values that are not just assigned to the variable. If you logged here, like the person info, just comp on this and just execute. Here you got the first name and last name and an array that holds the two pieces of information, Bangalore and his phone number. So all the remaining parts here are merged into an array. So array destructuring is really a new feature. If you want to split up an array into variables or constants, which you then can see throughout your code. It simply saves the extra work of doing this manually, and therefore you can speed up your development process. This is one way of using array destructuring. Now we will start with array object destructuring. Just comment this. Here you define object var new obj. Now if you only want to work with a name of the person or the only with the person, you can do like var name with a new object dot name. This will then will return the name property that holds the string my name, that is Sudeep. And one more, where place, that is new object dot place. This will return the string value, that is Bangalore. If you log this, console.log name and the place, just save this and run this. You got the Sudeep and Bangalore, which is the name and place property. And this is also a correct syntax to write this, and there is nothing wrong with this. And we also write this in a bit different way, that is object destructuring. Here it just create a constant const and add the object literal with the left side of the equal side, and in the right side you point to the object that you want the data from, that is object new object. And within this object literal you just add the name of your own choice, that is name and the place. Now save this and it logs, and again I got Sudeep and Bangalore in the log. And this is how we work with the object destructuring. And also we can use the spread operator here to get the other piece of information that are present in the object, that is his what about phone number. And just save this. Before saving it, here you just use the spread operator and other info. This in the end will pulls out all the properties that you have in the new object, that is age and the phone, and the new object will be created here, and the new object with the information and age and phone property will be created here. We'll log there other info, just save this. Here you got Sudeep and the Bangalore, and the another object here, that is age and the phone number. This is how we use the array destructuring and object destructuring syntax. And please like the video and subscribe my channel for the further videos, and thank you for watching this video.